crap. Anybody watching the games? Holy shit.
I
Meanwhile,
was.
I was really excited when I thought that spy was gonna be tanking. I was like, oh, this is gonna be fun.
I
Like
know.
not like fun for everybody, just like fun for puts. Like literal, everyone's gonna be hating their lives, but like it would be fun to play some puts.
Yeah, it's fun to make money on the way down. Actually, you know what? Extreme volatility in the markets is a very lucrative one.
Exactly. If it's gonna move, the worst thing is for it to just stay flat.
Yep.
Well, yeah, the worst thing is for it to stay flat. The thing is that like a moving market's a good market. You just play the trends, you make money.
Right.
You know, just playing the trends, which is great. Which is great. So I am seeing live right now, guys.
All right.
I don't have it. TMI, do you have it?
I do not have it yet. Nope.
Refresh, hit refresh.
That's what I'm doing. I think we have to send him the keys again.
Be careful, y'all. We can be live right now. You never, you never know.
Yeah, don't say anything you wouldn't tell your mother.
Let me see here. Post, videos, live.
Nothing.
Nothing yet. Give it some time. Give it some
It should
time.
be pretty instant. Gabe, you want the keys again to the champ? I think that's what it is.
Well, mine's popped up. My key never changed.
Yeah, I don't know how that would change. Maybe the streaming key did change for the channels, but yeah, maybe our streaming keys did change, but
Do
the
you want
art.
me to just send you the key again?
All right, send me the keys on Twitter, guys.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna put this whole thing on mute from the microphone. Like we can still hear each other, but I'm gonna put it on mute just in case, because this is all gonna be live. You never know.
Exactly.
Yeah, Gabe, I just sent you my key.
Maybe it's the RMTP or whatever it is.
And your key is still the same as well.
Oh, hold on. We are live.
Yes, we are. We are live.
I am not live yet.
Did I just hit go live or something? I'm in a live stream right now. I don't know what happened, but I am in a live stream, but it's private.
There you go. That's what
I
we're
don't know
looking
what
for.
happened. I literally just hit live, and I literally don't know what that was.
So I'm gonna keep refreshing mine to see when mine pops up. So this is what happened last time with yours.
All right, I've got it now, and it's somebody else's screen, so we're good to go. So we just gotta run it.
So it's my screen then.
Yeah. So we're good. All we gotta do. So we gotta do the.
No, mine's still not popping up yet.
Are you in the studio page? Are you on the studio page?
Yeah, I'm on the studio page.
Randomly, I just clicked the go live thing, and it just brought me in, and I was like, that's kind of weird, but it popped up, so that's very.
Try that, TMI. Try that, TMI. Just click the go live.
So I pressed the go live. I'm gonna wait to see what happens here. Connecting to software to go live. Let's see. I'm in the live feed, but I cannot see.
Oh, so you're in it?
No, I'm not in it yet. I'm in a live, like it's a random one, like as if I'm gonna set up a new one.
Maybe go out of it and then refresh.
Okay, let's see. Studio content live.
This is good here. No monetization. No nothing. All right, I just switched my thumbnail. Maybe it just took a minute. That's weird.
No, still not. Hey, Gabe, you know what? Let me send you my RTP. Maybe it's the RTP that changed on mine.
It's possible.
Yeah. I'm wondering if it's just a matter of like minutes, because like STVs took a few minutes and then it randomly popped up, right? Like nothing too much changed.
I was like, what the hell is this? And then it.
Okay, I'm gonna press go live, see if it works. Didn't work yet, so now I'm gonna go. Oh, what? Now mine is there as well when I press go live.
Perfect.
Okay, so let me just edit it really quickly, and then we're good to go. Oh, don't want to make my streaming key. What's it called again? What's the title?
I just did STR live stream, ankles incoming, then I just put all our names.
Okay.
STR live show coconut juice.
I'm STR live stream Cool Calm Collected.
All right, you ready to all? Because we all have to hit public, but we should do it at like the same time, so just the notifications just get blasted. Then we're good to go.
Okay, so let me just
Sorry
put.
to get confused, but I already got public preloaded. It said I'm ready to hit save.
All right, hold on. I should make sure that no monetization is gone. Good.
Details, I'm ready. I'm ready to hit it. I'm ready to hit it.
Take that out. Good. Save. Edit.
Wait, should we include the link to the Discord in our description?
Oh yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
just send that to us.
Oh, let's pin that to chat. That's what we should pin to chat.
Yeah, we'll pin that to chat.
That's good. Send it to Twitter.
Hey, that's what I'm gonna do. Sparky, 1 second.
I can't remove my own comment, so I already said no supers, whatever.
Okay. All right.
So let me go to Twitter here.
Wait, you can't remove your own comment?
No.
Interesting. Okay.
Alright, so that's the Discord, STV, I'm sending you the link as well.
Cool.
Oh, this is really weird.
We're just gonna have to run with it. Invite invalid. Oh. That's probably
Invite invalid.
That's what it says, invite invalid.
What the fuck?
Why is my invite invalid?
Be careful. Actually, no, hold on. Let me just put me. That's the way to do it. So, are we tweeting out the link or just the fact that we're live?
Oh, we're gonna tweet out that we're live. So right as we
Wait, are you gonna tweet out the link or that we are live?
The link to the live? We should put the link to the live.
Okay. Let's see here. Did you send the? Yeah, you did.
Gabe's got it.
Copy link address.
That's interesting. So the Discord link is always changing?
I guess so. I don't know. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so I just threw the Discord link in there, and then I'm gonna just pin it.
What do you mean
The Patreon, yeah, the Patreon.
Is yours a short form link? STV?
It just says patreon.com/ReviewDork.
Oh, mine doesn't even say that. Wait. Does it?
Unless yours is the Discord link.
I copied the Patreon one, but mine has like a short form to it. Let me just make sure it's the right one. Yeah. Yep. Goes to the right one. That's perfect.
And then it'll give you the full URL.
Yeah. So mine's a short form, but it still works. Perfect.
You guys ready?
1 sec. Let me just tweet out the actual link and get it ready so I can press go.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Go to studio, content, it's live. It should be there. Get shareable link, tweet. All right, here we go.
All right. Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Live with.
I'm not putting any AMC hashtags on it either.
No. Short the VIX. ReviewDork. All right. Let's talk about the market.
Let me know when we save at the same time, baby.
All right. So we're pressing
There you go.
tweet
After we
first,
go public, I'll hit the tweet button.
public first, then tweet.
Public first, then tweet.
All right.
You guys ready to go?
3, 2,
2,
1. Let's go.
Oh, we should be good, I think.
We are live, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we
Who watched
go.
football today? Who watched football today?
Who watched themselves some football? Are you ready for some football?
Football. All right.
I mean, okay, let's just take a quick look to see what the actual NFL scores were for football. Because these were some. Okay, so the Bills and Chiefs right now, 7-7.
Let's go. Oh, what's up, everybody?
What's going on, people? What's poppin'?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, so this is going to be interesting, guys. We have 3 different live chats on 3 different channels. We got Ankles, we got Snowman, we got, Ankles and Snowman is the same person. We got Coke, and we got Hookers. We also have Cool, Calm, and Collective. We got a lot of different people in the chat at the same time.
We're going to be having some fun tonight, people. How are we feeling?
Well, I know I'm feeling Tony the Tiger fucking great, but
You know who's not doing great?
These are a little green right now. Oh, let's see what they hold up. It could be interesting.
Yeah, you know who's not doing great? The Buccaneers.
the Buccaneers choked.
The Buccaneers didn't get it done, and the Packers didn't get it done.
I don't even know how our fantasy football thing went. Like, I have no idea. Kind of checked out for a little bit, but you know, the whole month's definitely got everybody.
It is. It is. What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What is going on, guys? Yeah, so Tom Brady's gonna go ahead and fuck the shit out of Giselle tonight. That's his fountain of youth. He'll be back next year.
I mean, he normally is every year. It's the same thing. He just didn't win this. Didn't get it done this year. Couldn't cross that barrier. It is what it is.
You guys can't hear it all on my side. I wonder why. Can't hear anybody but TMI. Oh, you got it.
Oh, hold on. All right, how about now?
Can you guys hear us now? You guys good?
You guys should be able to hear us now.
Yeah, there might be a little bit of a delay, but let's see. All right, here we go. We should be back. Let's see. Everybody, tell us if you can hear us or not.
Yes, I need thumbs up. Can you hear us?
Yeah, thumbs up if you guys can hear us.
Can't hear Gabe. Can't hear you, Gabe. Yeah, this is TMI's fault.
They still can't hear us. Uh-oh.
I shorted their mics.
Oh, we're quiet. Turn it up. Turn it up a little bit, buddy. That might be on your side in OBS.
All right, hold on. Let's see here.
So loud, can't hear. Uh-oh.
How about now?
How's the audio?
I'm still loud, but you guys should be able to be heard.
Mic check. Mic check.
Wow. No audio.
Better, but not great.
Interesting.
So let's see here. What can... Hold on. You know what?
Once we get this audio stuff figured out. Mike's purchased in the dark.
Yeah, let's get this audio figured out. I'm gonna go ahead and play with my audio settings.
Yeah, see if you guys can turn up your audio settings a bit higher.
I can turn mine all the way up. Can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? How about that? This is like my mic on max. How about that? We good? Any better on this one? Just yell. Fix your volume. I mean, this is my mic on max. So let's see.
Go for it.
Microphone.
Miggity mic. I know you guys can hear me. I'm well aware of that. I'm probably loud as hell right now.
Uh-oh. Nope, still sucks. Oh, God.
Done.
TMI sent the volume to the dark pool.
It's like we can only hear them through your speakers. TMI, you might have to mess with the audio thing. This
All
is
right.
our one concern. You're like, oh, audio.
Hold on, ladies and gentlemen, lady, hold on. Here we go.
The short volume of mix.
All right, hold on. Try Now.
How about now? Can you guys hear us now?
You hear us now? How about now? Yeah, where's the IT guy?
Where's our friendly neighborhood IT specialist? That's what we really need. I sound like I'm in the hallway. Oh boy.
Zero audio still.
Yeah. Now no audio. Yeah, my audio's on.
Oh, they say yes. They say better. Audio's good now. We're good. We're back. We're back to life. Here we go.
Better? Okay, better on STV. I think it's good now. ReviewDork?
Yeah, let's see. Can you guys hear me?
Pump the volume. I think we're good now. I think we're good.
Yes, we hear you guys. I hear Vix. I think we're good. Yes, we hear it.
All right. All right.
All right, I'll turn my mic up a little. I'll turn my mic up more. There we go.
Do it.
Audio good.
Do it.
Here we go.
Yeah, good now. Hero Dad says good now. Let me go ahead and raise my volume input a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Coke and Hookers. Sup, everyone? We finally got this figured out.
We did. This was
Wait,
we were struggling all day. We had so many technical issues trying to figure out how to do this.
Yes, not fixed, just a little better. Y'all three. Wait, TMI can lower his volume a little though. So what is going on?
So the only thing is this. Yeah, I cannot lower my volume too much because my mic is also picking up you guys at the same time.
Ah, gotcha.
So the mic is as close to you guys as possible and it's as far away from me as possible.
Can totally hear you. It's not a tactical.
All right, so
Sounds like you are in another room.
My input volume, I cannot raise my input volume on audio here on Zoom. But, ladies and gentlemen, bear with us. Vic sounds far away, like he's in a closet.
Interesting.
Wait, Vic, yeah, speak closer to your mic.
My mic is up all the way. It's right here.
Oh, do that again.
All right, stick it somewhere else, face up. We can't hear them. Yeah, they can't hear us.
Just kick out TMI, then we have no sound.
Yeah. My volume, this is as loud as the volume gets on this end.
TMI, all you need to do is get on a Zoom call and share your stream. That's what we're doing.
That is literally what it is. Okay, hold on a second. Let's see here.
All right, so TMI, they're saying you're so loud, it's like you're licking their ears.
Oh, you know what?
All right, guys. Yeah, I would love to troubleshoot this, but TMI is actually hosting the stream, so he has audio powers right now.
I have all of the power. All of the power.
All right, so you guys hear me better? You guys hear me better?
Let's see.
Yes, sounds good in Texas. I can hear. TMI sounds normal. I can hear all of them. Gabe
Better?
and Vix are just far away.
I'm
Yeah.
seeing better. Vix, hold the mic close so you can hear well. Andrew, how about this right here? Is this better? So we should just start looking. Everybody says wait.
your
So I think we're good to go.
Yeah, I think
Yes.
when you guys do that, it sounds better.
All right, cool. We'll do this.
They said yes, better.
Yes, ReviewDork or Vic should take over and see how that works. RD is okay, but quiet. That's weird.
All good. Start the show. All right, everybody's saying we're good on my end, so we might be good to go.
Yeah. Let's see, though, because voices don't match facial movement. Yeah, guys. So we're streaming to 3 different channels, so you might see a delay and frame rate lag.
Yeah. Sharon says she
Yeah.
can hear us all fine. Everybody's saying we're all good. I think we're good to start going.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
We good. Can I get thumbs up on my channel here? You guys can hear me okay?
Yeah, I think we're good to go. All right, people. How are we doing? We got a lot of stuff to talk about tonight. Lots of stuff to talk about. Very interesting things, too.
Let's see
Yeah, just yell when you speak. Dude.
It says, "Dear Lord, TMI's booming." Oof.
This, yeah. But why would my audio be limited? Why can't I raise the volume? Just... Let's see. It will not let me. Hey, just a delay, but sound is good. Okay.
Okay, so you're
Sound
good.
is good. We just got a delay.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Cool. All right. Here we go. Let's get it going.
All right, so
Let's
Vix.
get it going. Hey, what's going on, you fucktards?
This guy, always coming in hot.
Okay, let's.
Market looking wild today. I mean, the futures are green right now, huh? What are we looking at here?
142 right now. The futures are looking pretty damn good.
Yeah, I want to address a question. They're coming in hot early in the chat. Did any of you guys sell out like Mac Cores and Chase Trades? No, we sold out like your mom. 2 for 5, baby. We got a quickie. Yes.
Guys, nobody's sold out. What do you talk? I don't understand the whole selling out thing. I mean, we can talk about that tomorrow, but like, the thing is like everybody likes to say like they sold in June. It's like you think that we are just some like god level like price predictors that like no, this is the top.
Dude,
this
it was
is the top.
it was at like
about right now. No, guys, we don't know.
it was at $70 for like 5 minutes.
Let's see. You guys want to hit all the stuff going on this week? We got lots of market news coming up in Fed stuff and earnings season. We also have a pretty solid announcement for you guys too coming up in a little bit. So make sure you guys stick around.
Yeah, I fucked your mother.
Oh boy. Okay, so
That's the t-shirt I wanted. Some dumb fuck. Absolutely.
You got it. Oh my god. All right.
okay, so I can hear exactly what they're hearing right now. You guys are about
Right.
two rooms over. I can hear myself 3 times as loud as I can hear you guys. But overall, we can still hear you guys. So as long as we're not cutting each other off, let's see what happens.
Yeah, all right.
All right, so overall, market updates. Let's get to it, people. We have a crazy week ahead of us. We've seen a little bit of a downtrend. We are on the brink of what lots of people are calling a market crash. Let's get into some info. Let's give people some information that can actually help them make some money out here. Let's kick it off. STV, what's coming up this week?
So, big earnings week and big Fed week coming up. Like, this is going to be a crazy week. Like, earnings season, like, you get the banks first. That's kind of like when you start to kick off earnings season. But this week's going to be huge. Once Netflix reports, it's like, all right, time to go. So this week, the couple of companies that I'm kind of looking at that are a little bit interesting, we got Microsoft, Texas Instruments, Intel, Apple, and Robinhood. So that's going to be a little bit of an interesting one. Now, a lot of people have been asking for, can we go over these earnings strategies? Can we go over like how you do these option strategies on earnings? We'll do that a little bit here, but what you really need to know is what I do when I'm looking at earnings is I look at what the numbers say on what does the market expect for a move coming up. So what is the market, what we would call pricing in? So Microsoft is pricing in a 6.3% move right now, up or down on their earnings. Now, these numbers that I'm going to tell you guys are going to come down a little bit as we start to get into the week. So once we start to get into the week, the premium is going to come down a little bit. We have Texas Instruments 6.2%, Intel 7.3%. You guys know I always like to play some Intel. We also have Apple. That's also another really good one, 5.25%. That one is going to come down into the kind of range that we like to see it. 4.5% is usually the threshold. And then Robinhood's pricing at 16.5%. Absolutely insane numbers. So right now with where the market is, it almost doesn't make sense to try to play any run-ups into the event. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense just because of the choppiness of it. So you got to really play a lot of the actual event. Now that's always going to be a little bit riskier. Now, we also have the Fed coming up on Wednesday. We get the statement at 2 p.m. So all you people that are always like, oh, when's the Fed meeting? When's the Fed? I don't want to hear it. 2 p.m. on Wednesday, and then 2:30 we get Powell. So all of you guys that are always going to come in here being like, when's the Fed meeting? When's the Fed meeting? Here it is. Here's the Fed meeting. We're basically going to be looking at, like, investors are just want more guidance to what's going to happen with rates. What are they planning on doing with rates? Everybody's kind of expecting March, but let's see what Powell has to say. And then you're also going to get GDP numbers at the end of this week. That's going to move markets. And we also get personal consumption data, and that's going to include a lot of the Fed's preferred inflation numbers. So there's a lot of things happening this week, and with the market just selling off last week, it's going to be a very, very volatile week, but we're going to be able to position ourselves very, very well.
Okay. So now let's get into the part where it's a little bit more bearish. I'm going to turn down the volume a little bit because I know that I'm very loud right now and they are not. Okay. So let's turn this down a little bit just so we're not breaking your speakers. Okay, cool. So guys, the market right now is getting into a very interesting time. The market's not really moving in a clear-cut direction, bullish or bearish. Short term, it looks pretty bearish, but ultimately people do have a very bullish sentiment for the back end of Q1, February, March. Ultimately, people do feel like there will be a little bit of a bounce here, although we're looking like we're on the brinks of what could potentially be a very long downturn. Now, several different analysts and experts have their different predictions that are popping up like crazy with what's going to happen, and that's all fine and great, but because this is earnings seasons with some of the largest companies that we know in market, it's going to be a lot of the CEOs of the largest companies saying what their earnings are and what their expectations and outlook is for the rest of the quarter and the rest of the year. This is a very, very, very important time for the market, and I think we're going to see the market reflect this a lot. Okay, so that being said, let's take a look at what happened during rate hike season in the past. Okay, so I do have an article pulled up here from MarketWatch. I'm not going to display it right now, just keep it moving quickly, but overall, we have actually seen the fact that the market has had growth during rate hike and rate cut season on averages during these different periods. Just a heads up, ReviewDork, you got the screen up. Just we can see your display screen. All right, cool. So then, what I'm seeing right now is overall the average, and this is what MarketWatch did put up there. I'll put this link in chat. On average, over the past rate cuts, we've seen. Let's take a look here. We've seen a Dow Jones up by 23%, the S&P up by 21%, the NASDAQ up by 32%. That's the average. The median, 33, 36, and 41. Now, during rate hike season, we've actually seen much larger numbers in regards to the average, 54, 62, and 101%, which is actually a very large increase. The only thing is that it is a bit overdone because they included that 2008 to 2019 period. So, one, can we still see green days and growth throughout the rate cut period? Yes. Will it be a lot slower? Yes. What's the main issue in the economy right now, guys? Inflation is killing us. Rate hike season possibly coming in at the wrong time. Also, we are really looking at supply chain issues. Buying food cannot be affected by the Fed tightening rates. Okay, so they can tighten rates as much as they want. They can take away money from the banks and reverse repos. They're not going to be able to change what you guys pay at the grocery store. So we have to actually keep an eye on what happens in the economy after this week of earnings and how the market reflects or reacts to what these different powerful CEOs say. Now, let's learn how to get some fucking money if the market goes up or if the market goes down. Mic back up so you guys can be heard.
Abe, take it away, buddy.
Take it away. All right, we're going to do this really, really quick. All right, you guys, I want to show you my screen. We're going to blow this up. That's the SPY. It looks like a flaccid dick, okay? We went from a damn near year of fucking erections to holy shit, we need Viagra. We need something to stimulate the economy. I don't know, shit the bigs. What do you think, man? What's really going to put the economy back on rebound? What do you think is really going to be that moment where, we have a change of course? Because I'm looking at the chart here. We are flirting with support at or about 436 on the SPY. And that does not look good. So tell me, man, give the world some hope. Let us know.
Right now, there's definitely more downside left in the market. So when you're looking at the SPY, with what we've been talking about, we're kind of right at that level that we just haven't touched. On the 200 MA and the 200 EMA on the daily chart, we have not come down and touched those levels over the last essentially year and a half. And when we do touch these levels, we typically see a little bit of a bounce right off of it. We haven't really seen that yet. We're going to kind of start to get into if we're going to see that coming up this next week. If we're going to see the bounce, awesome, but you kind of got to watch out because we are going to have this Fed meeting coming up. That's going to cause some volatility. And then you have that first rate hike weighing on everybody's back coming into March, essentially. I think it's going to happen in March. I think they're going to do 3 or 4. Jamie Dimon says 6 or 7. He's drunk. There's no way they're going to do 6 or 7 rate hikes and tank the entire. There's just no way that they're going to be able to get that through. But there also is a lot of money waiting on the sideline. What you got to think about is, well, we just came off the end of the year. The end of the year, also the end of a quarter. So there's a lot of rebalancing that goes on. And with the giant options chain across the board in the entire market, there was a lot of exposure to market makers, large institutions who have specific option strategies on that specific date. So now as we're getting into this week, we could see a lot of rolling out of positions or reestablishing of a lot of positions. So if there's going to be institutions buying calls in a large amount, well, they're not going to be buying YOLO calls. What they're going to be buying is going to force the market makers to hedge. Now, what that's going to do is, let's just say they're going to put $1 billion into some option or some sort of derivative on any point of the market. If they do that, well, that could kind of force the market maker to buy an 8x multiplier of that billion, 5x, 2x, whatever it is, more buying volume will come in. But if they're buying puts, then it's the opposite. Then they're going to be shorting. So what we're really going to need to see is, where's that flow of money going? I watch TLT all the time, and you can look at the trends in TLT, and it's like, man, money's flowing out of the market right now. It's just kind of what's going on with it. And you can kind of look at that with like how the bonds are reacting to things and what is going on with equities. You start to see that money come back in.
Stop 1 second. I got to answer Andy 2K60 because every single fucking time people ask this stupid question. Well, my portfolio is big enough to buy you, your mother, your sister, and your grandmother. Yeah, like multiple generations. So, I mean, you guys want to go ahead and keep asking us what's our portfolio size? Quite frankly, it's none of your fucking business. At the end of the day, we want to make money just like you guys. And we want to go to the moon just like you guys.
Right.
So at the end of the day, you know, everybody's coming at us like, what's your portfolio size? What's your portfolio size? Hey, honest to God, it's just like, guys, listen, my portfolio ran up to $72. When it ran up to $72, it was worth $5.5 million. Now I'm just sitting up, 120%? And I did that with the mindset that we are going to the moon, right? But, you know, at the end of the day, you know, hey, look at, you know, I did forfeit the opportunity to make even more money. And then
You say 5.2 million?
17.
You say 5.2 million?
That's
Oh my days.
That's a lot of millions.
Oh my goodness.
So, you know, at the end of the day, you know, it's like I had an opportunity to go ahead, sell up at the top, and then buy some more at 17. You know, so it is what it is, guys. You know, I want the focus to be on the broader markets. And someone brought up a question about what Lou talked about. Apparently, Lou talks about every fucking thing, right?
Wait, hold on. Let's not go too far off bases on that one. Just in case, you never know. Short the Vix, you're frozen there for a second, buddy.
At the end of the day, you know, we're talking about a new rule coming out this week. And since when has a new rule directly affected the price of AMC? I mean, STV, you want to jump in on that?
The rules really serve to work in tandem with each other. If one big one comes, if it's short sale transparency, it's going to take a long time to get implemented. It's not just going to be like instant, now we're seeing everything. So it's going to take a lot of time to see. With the one I believe they're voting on, the only thing that we can really see that's important is what type of collateral is provided and what in what percentage margin they're essentially on. So it's going to tell us a little bit, but not a whole lot. But what we really want to be able to do for everybody is, a lot of people have been in this movement for a very, very long period of time, and they've learned some things about how the broad market works, but they're running out of dry powder money. People are not some people are. We see people in live chats every day crushing it. We want people to be able to learn how to make money in the market. Now, that's not to say at all stop buying AMC and just trade, or even trade AMC. We're not going to be trading AMC options at all. But we want to be able to give people the skills in order to make money off of this volatility. If you want to buy more AMC, then this can help you do that. If you want to buy whatever, more stocks, you want to be able to take your wife's boyfriend out for a nice coffee, you'll be able to do, you'll learn the skills to be able to do that.
Hey, Vix, you're frozen right now, my guy. Can you?
I'm frozen?
Yeah, can you adjust your camera really quickly?
Uh-oh, hold on. Can you guys hear me though?
I'll hear you crystal clear. Crystal clear.
There we go, hold on.
I like the whole take your yeah, perfect. I like the whole take your wife's boyfriend out. I love that.
Sometimes you have to do what you got to do.
And so another thing too, guys, just looking at some of these charts, right? There's another chart called the Velocity M2 money, right? And it kind of displays how much money is moving. So what we saw in 2021 was overall, I'll turn the mic down a little bit as I'm talking, sorry guys. What we saw, and this is pretty important, so keep this in mind, because you guys will probably be able to recognize this in your own bank accounts and with your own spending tendencies. What we saw in 2021 was a compounding interest of consumer buying stemming from 2020 when people couldn't buy anything. We just saw it come out in the hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, if not billions of consumers willing to spend money on shit. How was your Christmas? Probably pretty good. How much money did you guys spend in the stock market this year? Probably 10 times more than you guys have ever spent before. Consumers were spending money on so many things. That is not the case moving into 2022. That time came and went. We have seen more money in the market than we've ever seen before, and it's not moving as fast as it ever has. The money is actually moving slower now than it probably ever has before since who knows what, maybe 1920, okay? We're seeing a huge dip in regards to how fast the money's moving. So the government's printed 40% of all the money that it ever has in the last 2 years, and no one's doing anything with it. So where are you guys gonna get more money? We have to figure out how to make more money because no one's actually spending. It's not going around anymore. So we have to go find it. This is not an opinion. This is just factually based, right? So we have to realize that, okay, look at your bank accounts, look at your spending habits, look how it was last year, look how it was in 2020, and then try to think, what am I gonna do in 2022? You know, where is this money gonna come from? What's it gonna look like? Because there's gonna be interest rates going up, which the government can really do what it can to maybe screw around housing prices a little bit, make it hard to get homes, to try to pull things back. But like I said before, the supply chain issues are really gonna put people in a spot where that's not really gonna be able to be moved simply by making banks pay less money with reverse repos. Like, it is what it is.
So that's where Gabe came in a couple of weeks ago with the 1348, and you've seen people absolutely crush it with that. Now, like, you don't have to listen to what we have to say about it. You've seen me use it all the time, and it's worked very, very well. But there's a lot of people are just talking about how this has kind of changed not only the way that they look at the market in terms of being able to play the upside and the downside, but just giving them a new control over their own financial situation and not just basically taking whatever the market is going to give them. So Gabe, I feel like you can take it away a little bit more on that one.
Oh, yeah. So, y'all motherfuckers didn't want to listen to me for the past year when I talk about diversification and making some serious money, right? I'm a trader, right? Now, I'm privileged and blessed to be able to say, well, AMC's a long hold. Anybody who plays the markets has several portfolios, and those portfolios are dedicated to
Hold on, Gabe.
Gabe.
CBR in my chat right now just comes up and says, I made 500% last week with 1348 plays.
Gang.
There you go. So you have different portfolios for different reasons. So you have AMC, that's your long hold strategy, fine. You know what? In the meantime, you go ahead and take control of your financial future. That's pretty much it. You know, I'm not gonna go ahead and sit there and wait for somebody to give me fucking money. You guys think about it. These people, if we are to believe the narrative, that they're crooks, that there's manipulation, that kind of thing, why the fuck are they gonna call the cops on themselves and say, all right, Apes, here's your fucking money? You know, that's something that we have to fight for, right?
We need to go out and take it from them.
We fight with dry powder and we can take it. But in the meantime, while that's happening, we could go ahead and create a separate portfolio where we can trade and make money. And it just makes AMC easier to cope with. You see, I think for a lot of people, there's a lot of stress and anxiety, and people are emotionally fatigued with AMC because they're waiting for that money. Like, seriously, you're waiting for that money? Like, go out there and go make your own fucking money.
Yeah, Family Sherrod said, oh, sorry, very loud. Family Sherrod said he made 10K last week from playing puts.
Exactly.
That's it.
There's one fast duster who's always in my chat. TMI's avocado. Everybody's in the chat now, just like, okay, well, while we're waiting around for AMC to do its thing, and if we want to accumulate more shares, these are some of the things that we need to look at doing. This isn't like, oh, distraction plays. No. This is how the market functions, and I want like we always talk about, like, I know on my streams, like, what's going on, like the nonsense that we see all the time. But let's make money off of the nonsense while we're seeing it live every single day with some pretty good accuracy. Like the green line right here says, can't lie, it prints money. It does. It, like, when you look at it, it's the very solid strategy.
So I think based off of the feedback that we've been getting as a collective, and the DMs that we've been getting and the messages that we've been answering, and basically the common thing when we connect offline with, we connect with several different things, like, how's life, yada yada, all that good stuff, how's the cooking hookers, yada yada, all that good stuff. But we also connect with, like, what do you get as feedback? What do people want? How are you guys finding those solutions for them and try to make ourselves better? That being said, we realize that a lot of people simply just want to learn how to make money in the market. So I think what this is going to turn into, and what we've kind of been talking about for the last little while here, is just getting together, jumping on to one platform, one place, putting, three minds together, getting a collective of resources, and just having one spot to kind of go and teach and learn and explore the market, and go find money over there, right? Like, we just want to figure out, okay, cool, let's actually dig into how we're going to play the market. And the funny thing is, some people are going to say, well, are you guys leaving? Between Vix and I, we probably stream in between 7:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Like, we're up from pre-market to the after hours. You guys want AMC, GME updates. You guys get them on a daily basis. We got all that covered. We want to do more. Gabe's been doing more. We're teaming up with Gabe now to say, okay, cool, let's get everybody on board. Let's see what we can do here. So we're joining up now to Gabe. You want to kind of take it from here?
Yeah. So listen, guys. The whole premise was this, right? So for a whole year, you have the community just giving a shit like you're extracting value from the ape movement, and so we decided that we were literally going to put a gold spoon in your fucking mouths, and I don't know many personalities in this community that would go ahead and put their names on the line with a strategy, a tool that works. It just works. And TMI and Short the Vix, they saw that it worked. And we felt that collectively we could help this community, because dry powder, right? Everyone talks about dry powder. And, well, we're helping you get that dry powder. So where's the wrong in that? I really don't see the wrong in that. I mean, TMI, they're still saying low audio, so I'm not sure if that's something on your end. But at the end of the day, it's you guys are here to make money. If you are not in the markets to make money, you're in the wrong fucking business. You are legit in the wrong business if you're not here to make money. It just doesn't make sense. Yeah. We're all apes. We're in this community. We're here for AMC to go to the fucking moon. But you know what? Investing's not a fucking team sport. It's not a group sport. It's just really not. We all love the stock. We like the stock. We buy, we hold, we buy some more. But then we go out and we play some more. And we make that coke and hooker money. What's wrong with that?
Mm-hmm. So for those of you guys who don't know about the 1348 strategy, yeah, you can throw it up on your screen and do it all you want all day on the stocks that you like. The reason why, like, one of the benefits, then there's a lot more that we're going to go over too, to what we're going to be doing with this collective here. the reason why you would want to be like in this group that we have is how many stocks are you gonna have, Gabe? 200?
Yes. We are going to have 200 stocks.
Yeah, you got really low there for a second, buddy.
Multiple time frames.
So there's gonna be 200 plus stocks in there that are going to be these aren't like all the trades that we are taking. It is an alert system that scans the whole market and alerts you when a 1348 cross is happening. So then you get to look at what's going on and say, hey, do I like this trade that's happening right here? It's almost impossible to look at the market and just say, okay, where are the 1348 crosses are happening? If you like to play SPY, you can just look at it on the SPY. But there are going to be other stocks and ETFs that you're going to want to play it on that if you don't have 200 screens looking at it right here, you're just not going to see it. So what this does is it just sends an alert right there to your phone, and it tells you on the 3-minute time frame, which is going to precede the 5-minute cross, which is the cross that I like to use on for essentially day trading. That, like, look at this. So Gabe's pulling it up right here a little bit, where you can just see it's just alert. It's like there's so many alerts going out all of the time on stocks that you wouldn't even think were going, but people are in here just crushing it, and that's what we want for you guys. Are we gonna stop talking about AMC and G? Absolutely not. Like, what our whole goal here is to enable you guys to make more money, and if you want to be able to put more money into AMC and GME, then you can. Because what we've kind of seen is like, okay, well, a lot of people are like, I'm kind of tapped out. I can't really buy a whole lot right now. Like, blah, 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 blah. It's like, well, hold on. There's this, that you can use this to basically, if you're trading right now, it's probably going to make your trading a lot better.
Yeah. Okay. So let me just.
Daily alerts? We have the 4-hour alerts coming out too, I believe. That's when the 200 stocks are getting added to. That you're going to see them on the 4-hour too. So if you want to enter some swing trades, that's going to be there for you as well. That's how I use the 4-hour. But EMA or MA, it's EMA.
It's EMA. It's eat my ass. It's EMA.
Gabe, your volume is even lower now.
Yeah. But that's what we're trying to do for everybody. If you don't want to join, this is the thing. If you do not want to join and you do not want to be a part of this, that is completely fine. We are not asking you to you have to come do this because these are for the people that really want to learn about like trading, figure out how to make themselves more money, because there's already people like you've seen the people in the chat. It works. It works. And this is only the first thing that we have coming. We have a lot more stuff coming for you guys that I think everybody's going to really enjoy.
Yeah, and to add on to that, I think that for one, if people say, hey, look, I'm tapped out, I don't have, I can't afford it. Guess what? We're already live streaming every single day already. It is what it is. You guys have your options. But for those people that are already in the Discord, when I'm off of the live stream, I'm in the Discord. I'm on the voice chat. I'm talking with you guys. What trades you guys seeing? I'm in there with you guys. Gabe will be in the Discord. He's in there on day to day. Sure, the Vix will be in the Discord. Now, of course, people are going to say get back to school. He's going to say I'm not going to class. He's going to jump in the Discord anyways. Like, these are things we already know are going to end up happening, but we wanted the opportunity to not just talk about it, help people with market structure knowledge, help people with how do we look at updates, how do we look at what's coming up. That's why we kind of start off the live stream with things that were happening outside of strictly stocks that we're looking at that may affect things that we see on our day-to-day. For example, if we see a market pullback, what are the reasons for that market pullback? What can we expect historically? What's the seasonality look like? What is the Fed talk coming up? What does that mean for us? We want all these different updates because we want to learn and actually increase our knowledge while we're waiting, right? Knowledge is power, and that's what we want to arm you guys with.
Like, we already are all, like, a lot of people I can see right now are not going to be okay with this. But the thing is that we've seen, how long has this been free for, Gabe? 3 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? So there have been people in there using this for free and have seen the power of it. There's you have a gains tab on there, right? So this is all of us working together to try to help everybody.
Yeah, it was put together, people say, like, why charge? And that just really blows my mind, guys. For the past 2 weeks, It costs you $3.13 a day to actually play. Now, do you guys know how much that costs me? Because I forfeited my time in the markets. And I literally forfeited. Right? It cost you $3.13. It cost me tens of thousands a day. And TMI and certificates know I play with big money. So it's costing me tens of thousands a day because I believe that you guys can be successful. Like, seriously. I believe you guys can be successful. Now, it costs $69. What other number would you fucking expect? It's $69, right? But that's $3.13 a day. That's cheaper than a fucking pack of condoms, right? Like,
Yeah, Rocket says last year I lost 80% of my portfolio. I'm not sure exactly what's happening. And this is the problem, right? Like these are, and don't get twisted, guys, like the amount of messages that I'm sure, I know I've been getting, but the amount of messages that you guys are probably getting as a collective is, okay, can we just talk about how to actually make money while we're holding? Like, can we just figure out how to actually like increase our bank accounts while we're buying and holding is great, but like we can only buy and hold so much. Okay, cool. Let's talk about how to make some money. And again, I'm going to say this because people are going to be asking questions, and there are going to be those who are a bit weary. Nothing is changing. This is literally just adding on more, right? If you guys want to jump in and talk to us on a daily basis, you literally have us there 9 hours a day, 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, every single day for free. If you guys want more, alerts, setups, technical breakouts, if you guys want more live streams on Sunday nights like this to go over the market and answer questions, these kind of live streams are going to be part of the Discord every single week, so we can all go over what the hell's going on in the market, what earnings are coming up, what's the Fed data coming up, what's the overall sentiment like, what different questions or different technical steps are you guys worried about, what YOLO plays are we, like, we're going to get into some of those YOLO plays a bit afterwards, but that's going to be some of the fun stuff. We're going to have a podcast is going to be like, we don't want to get everything out at the same time, but there's several different things that we want to implement into adding value to you guys while you guys are also learning about the market and making money. Pretty exciting. I'm excited.
Yeah. There's Saturn says I have a link at the top of the pinned in the chat right now. I also saw somebody Sunshine. If it doesn't work on a longer time, he doesn't think it works on longer time frames. That's where you see it honestly almost work the best on the 4 hour. When you see, are there any good 1348 crossovers on the 4 hour chart heading into this week? So a couple of stocks might be, we're gonna have to keep a lookout for the alerts. It's automatic. It just comes right. You get the alert, it sends it out. You good, Gabe?
Yeah, I'm good. Just making sure you guys could hear me. What I did was I changed my audio port. Hopefully this means people can hear me better.
Yeah. Definitely can.
All right.
All three of you are going to be running the same Discord. Yes, we are all three in that same Discord. It's not three separate ones. We are all in that one. So it's us three in that Discord.
And anyone who did pay for or join my Discord this month, your money is going to be returned. I will be accepting $0 for all this month. It all goes back to you guys already, so do not worry about it whatsoever. My Discord for all the OGs that have been there since the get-go will still be there, will still be free. You guys can chill, chat, and be there and keep that kind of OG crew together. For those of you guys that do want to hop over there in my Discord, let me know, and I'll take a pay cut to help get you guys into the Discord to help make sure that you guys are making money, because you guys gave me a start. Time to give you guys back an opportunity to get some dough, baby. Let's go.
All right. So you guys are hearing me loud and clear, right? TMI shirt fix?
I hear you good.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. You hear me loud and clear. Let's see here. Well, we got jokes. You're not going to ask us to sell Herbalife. No. We're not going to ask you to sell Herbalife. All right. So,
Yeah.
really?
The other thing is, guys, the one thing that I want to say before is a lot of people are a little bit wary about this. I personally, this is the main reason that I have never had a Discord is because of the fact that I was like, I don't think people are gonna like it. Blah, 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 blah. It's good. There, a lot of them out there are like, nobody's really making any money with them, but with the results are kind of speaking for themselves. You might be a little bit wary about it right now, have not really like taken a deep look into it, but once you do, you're probably going to see that this is something that I should consider because of just the vast amount of alerts coming out and the other things that we're going to be doing with this as well.
Yeah, just a quick FYI, guys. The Discord link is pinned to the top of chat for those of you guys who are looking for it. Feel free to go up there. And if you guys are in my Discord and looking to join, shoot me a message when that time comes. We'll chat, all right? But the Discord link is definitely pinned to chat.
All right. Let's go ahead. We have a lot of people complaining about audio. Just making sure I'm covering all the bases on my end. So everything should be working. Input volume. So I'm not allowed to change my input volume to MI. Is that something you do?
Yeah, but your volume is showing that it is running up to about 80% on my end, so they should be able to hear you. You're maybe a bit quiet, but they should be able to hear you.
Okay, so they should be able to hear. Well, the thing is that with the Shure SMB 7, you need to add gain to it. So let's see if we can go a little higher with it.
They're saying you're good, G. Yeah, my chat's saying they can hear you good.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Are we good? All right. Okay, so I mean, at the end of the day, let's answer some questions. Some people are like, well, if it works, why are you charging? We got Suck McCulk. Oh man, should I put him on blast?
Don't
Guys,
do it.
can I-
Don't do it.
They'll see it. It works. That's the thing. It works. It's a good strategy. If you want to see it just shot out at you all the time, and you look and see all these other people making money, making more money than they can put into AMC if they want, that's great. If you just want to work your job and continue doing what you're doing and buying and holding, that's great too. We're not pushing anything on you. This is just something there for those of you who do want to learn. And I know a lot of you guys do. Some of you guys don't. I see some of you in the chat that are like, don't really want this. It's fine. It's not for you then. That's the thing.
Yeah, it's not for everyone. You know what I mean? But hey, look, at the end of the day, you can't sit there and bitch and complain that you have no dry powder or that the market's rigged when we're showing you exactly how to make money in this so-called rigged market. That just really doesn't make any sense to me, but it is what it is.
All right. Okay. Good. Okay. You know what? So I think that kind of sums up what's going on from a general perspective. I'm pretty pumped about it. I know we're pretty pumped about it. Quick summary, guys. One, what is this going to offer? It is going to offer all the alerts, and this is not going to tell you guys exactly what to do, because there are some people that I know already that have already sent me messages that are going to join and they're just going to watch and learn. Which is part. They're going to take part in the discussions. They're going to take part in the live chat. They're going to be on the voice calls. Like in the mornings, I'm off at 9 a.m. I want to pop in at 9:15. Hey guys, what do you guys see in the market? What are you guys looking at? Like, I want to jump in and see, like, talk to you guys one-on-one. Like, what are we talking about here? Mind you, this is not me telling you guys what to do. This is just me telling you guys, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm seeing. What are you guys seeing? And we can kind of talk through it. Short basically popping in there midday. He's off for a bit. He's going to pop in as he's eating or whatever it might be. All right, cool. Guys, what are you guys seeing midday? Like, what's going on there? ReviewDork, he's in there all the freaking time, popping in, popping out, answering questions. Like, we're trying to do over and above what we're already doing for hours a day to kind of figure out how can we close that gap, that knowledge gap for those people who just got in the market because they found AMC and GME. And then they said, oh, you know what? Okay, but how do we actually make money in the market? Or those people who just got into the retail investment for the first place and just saying, okay, I'm here, but we don't have much experience here whatsoever. All right, cool. Let's figure out how to do it. So one, market updates on Sunday mornings. These videos, we want to keep this going for the Discord. 2, we want to jump in there. 3 of us jumping in there different times a day. 4, we want to have different podcasts where we can have conversations, productive ones, about what we're learning, what mistakes we've made, what we can look forward to in the future. We want to have productive conversations. And on 5, on top of that, there's 3 of us. We're not doing one at a time, right? We're doing 3 because we know that any one person can miss things. People can get busy. People can go away. 3 of us, 3 different perspectives is always great. We don't all agree on everything at the same time. You guys will get different perspectives on different things, and you guys can make up your own mind on what you guys see and what you guys hear, right? So, pretty pumped.
How about here's the thing, for the people that are in here right now, we can go through a couple of examples really quick on the SPY, just very quickly on the 1348. How about that? So Friday on the 5-minute, it was dirty, and I see people in here. What is it right here? Where is he? All day, every damn day. The 1348 200 has changed my life, says Ben. If you don't want it, that's fine. But there are people in here making money with it. This isn't like this isn't like let's profit off. That's not that at all. You are going most likely with these and just learning about what's going on. I'm going to be in there talking about what's going on in the market every single day, breaking it down, exactly what we need to know for like rate hikes, every single thing that's going on. Then we're going to have these streams every Sunday, but they are going to be private going forward, breaking down everything going in. We're probably going to do 2 or 3 stocks that we each like with 1348 and some other things too going into the next week. So there's a lot of things that we're going to be doing for you guys that we just want everybody to be in the best position that they possibly can.
Yeah, talk about best position. I want you guys to look at my screen here. So we got the 1348, and this is the SPY, and this is on the 4-hour. Now, TMI, I need you to help me with the math here, right? So we got the crossover here when the SPY was at about $468. We got the crossover notification. And that was at about 12 trading days ago.
Yeah.
So if you bought a contract, they put contract for a month out, I mean, how much is this? Because we're looking at the SPY currently at 436. That is over a 30-point drop here.
That's 32 drops, so that's at least, well, it depends on what they cost, but that could be a 4x, 5x play based on that. Like, that is stupid money.
It's a 5x play, right?
Like, that is ridiculous.
Yeah. So $5,000 would have turned into $25,000 in a matter of 12 trading days. Right? Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys something because this also applies to AMC. So if you guys are so concerned with AMC, we could show you where AMC is going as well. This is no bullshit, guys. All right? We go ahead and we open this up. We can legit predict what's going to happen with AMC. We got the sell signal with AMC all the way back on December 28th, and AMC has been in the downtrend. Currently, it's hit support. Like, at the end of the day, guys, you know, we want AMC to go to the moon, just like everybody else. But if we have the power and the tools to improve our financial situation in the most simplified way possible, why the fuck wouldn't we do that? You see? So that's really where I stand with this, you know, like, if people want to take the offer, they take the offer. If you're going to ask us where AMC is going, well, we'll be honest with you as well. Because we go ahead and let's look at AMC on the daily. We're going to go ahead and expand this. So we could go ahead and see that AMC on the daily, we had a crossover dating all the way back to November 29th. And AMC has not recovered from this shorter pressure here. And yet, you know,
yeah.
Oh my God! What did we do on Friday, guys? What was our goal on Friday?
Well, Cedar Creepers in there said would it pay twice as much for the Discord? The info is power. I think you know the amount of people that the reason why we decided to come into this as well is the amount of people that have said that, hey, look, this is working for us, it's great. We just want more. It's like, okay, cool. We're gonna give you guys literally everything that we have. So this is not just a big step for us, but this is kind of like a commitment to. A lot of the time, this is just like, okay, day in, day out, let's go get it. And it's not going to be 100% successful, right? Not every single trade is 100% successful. Not every single week is going to be a green one. But overall, if we're trying to change the general trajectory from retail investors, and at least those who have been here with us from the get-go, we don't want you guys hurting, right? So we're just trying to do a little bit extra. We're still going to be doing the same thing we always do. We're still going on the live stream, still making videos, still giving you guys updates. Everything you guys have been getting, nothing changes. We're just going over and above to get that extra information out there, right? So I think we call it a wrap. I think we kind of covered out everything we have to cover. I think the information is out there. Let's is there anything else you guys want to add on?
I hit all my points. Gabe, you good?
Yeah. What's going on?
I think we're thinking about wrapping it up. We hit all the points.
Yeah, I think we definitely covered all the points. I mean, they join if they join if they want. We're still going to cover AMC. AMC is still going to the moon. In the meantime, let's just keep printing. It's really that simple.
Let's keep printing. All right, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. For those of you guys who are, well, I guess
Did they
everywhere.
Say sell AMC? No, they did not say that. Oh my God, we're just looking at the 1348.
Yeah, and it's learning, and that, mind you guys, The signals also help for those people who've been losing money on options for the longest time with AMC and GME. Learning how to read the market would let you guys know not the time to be buying in call options at when this happens or when this happens, when this happens. Save your money sometimes. You want to accumulate stock, you want to accumulate your position, you want lower cost average, that's fine, that's great, right? But we can help increase the knowledge so you guys can see, okay, this might not be the time to get in on options for AMC. Like I haven't gotten, I don't want to get too far into that, but the more we learn, the more we understand. And to me, it's just one of those things where it's kind of like, if you're going to invest in yourself, that's great, do it. And if you don't want to at this point in time, or if there's an easier option for you, by all means, it's just supposed to help those who are looking for it.
Yeah, TMI, let them know if they want to join, if they want to look at it, where they can. I don't think they can hear us very well. So,
okay, so if you guys want to, so in the top of Short the VIX's live feed, there is a Discord link there. Top of my live feed, there's a Discord link there as well. Top of ReviewDork's live feed, there's a Discord link there as well. Click on it, jump in there, take a look around, understand what's going on there. There's 3 of us in one Discord. This doesn't happen that often. But we just want to make it special. We want to give you guys something else, right? We're also adding in live streams on the weekends to get a pre-market. This is just for the Discord, a pre-market heads up, like a quick run through of everything that's going on, so you guys don't have to wait until Monday to wake up to see what's happening. You guys get all the information ahead of time. We want to add in podcasts. We want to add in interviews. We want to add in jumping in the live chat with you guys during the market day. Like we want to literally give you guys everything on top of what we've already been doing. So that's kind of how we look at it. And there's more things to come, but not yet the time. I just found out some things today that we're doing, and I'm just like, what the holy shit. But we'll wait for that.
All right, guys. We'll see you all tomorrow morning. Let's get after it this week, huh? We're going to be hitting 1348 plays left and right.
All right, let's do it, guys. All right, I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning for good. How do you guys sign up? Click the link in the Discord. It's the top of the chat. All right, guys.